Hello, my name is Andrii Shramko, and I never advise you to shoot Insta ACE at the day with a pure mode. Here is the difference. This is a pure mode, resolution 4K pure mode, and this is a standard 4K 30 FPS HDR mode. You can see a huge difference in the details. Here is a stone, for example. Pure mode and standard 4K mode. And it's not 4K resolution. They saying that it's 4K, but I don't see it. It's maybe full HD. It's pure mode and standard 4K. Also, the camera applies a strange deformation to the image in a pure mode. I will show you. This is a pure mode, and this is a standard mode. You can see that the field of view almost the same, but the deformation absolutely different. And if you create a rig and will shoot in pure mode or 8K mode, you will never have a good stitching result. You need to apply these maybe my templates or create your own to remove this deformation, and only then stitch it in Mystica VR with a PT. Let me know if you need some help with the perfect stitching result from Insta ACE rig. It's shocked me this quality of image. It's not 4K. Maybe at night will be better. I didn't do a comparison with night shot and daylight, but in the daylight, never use a pure mode. Advise you never do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.